Welcome to the final episode in our series. Your new MovieMod Flexible Logistics variant is now installed and commissioned. Before releasing the system for production, let's run through a quick checklist to confirm everything works safely and reliably. First off, your digital inputs and outputs. Toggle each connected sensor and actuator. You can watch the bits change in Movie Suite or your PLC diagnostics. Then move on to the RZ device list. Ensure the inverter appears with the correct address and no diagnostic flags. If you have added any extra RZ/I/O, confirm the master recognizes them and the inputs map correctly. Now start your drive at the lowest fixed speed. Observe rotation. If the motor turns the wrong way, invert the rotation parameter in Movie Suite. Run through all fixed speeds to ensure the motor reaches and maintains each set point. Also test the local operation via the key switch. Also, don't forget your safety functions. Activate the STO circuit or remove the jumper plug, and the drive should immediately shut down and report an STO status. Then restore the STO and verify the drive is ready for use again. Lastly, if you have a brake, make sure your application, motor and inverter are in a state in which you can safely test the brake, and if your motor has a mechanical brake, confirm it releases when commanded. Always save the parameter set in Movie Suite and store it in your project archive. You can export a copy to the CBG keypad or a laptop if you plan future replacements or expansions. Also record the RZ address, firmware version and commissioning date in your maintenance log. By checking I/O signals, motor rotation, safety functions and documenting your settings, you ensure a smooth startup and easy maintenance down the road. This completes our video series on RZ retrofits with the MovieMod Flexible Logistics variant. If you have further questions or need on-site support, SEW-EURODRIVE is here to help. Thank you for watching and good luck with your retrofit projects.